Welcome to your CMA Pro training. In this training series, you'll find short, focused sessions covering everything from setting up your client-facing app to using powerful tools to run advanced mortgage analysis. We will also show you how to generate verified leads and build referral partnerships that help grow your business. My name is Ben Salami, founder and CEO of Bendeji Technologies, the company behind some of Canada's leading mortgage apps and financial tools. Now, whether you're brand new to CMA or looking to get more value from the platform, these sessions are designed to help you become more efficient, more professional, and more successful. Let's get started. Before we dive into CMA, I'd like to share a bit about the company behind the platform. Bendeji Technologies was founded in 2013 with a simple mission to help mortgage professionals better serve their clients through technology. Over the years, we've built some of Canada's leading mortgage apps and financial tools, helping thousands of professionals strengthen their brand, improve client engagement, and streamline their business. What started as a mobile app in 2013 has grown into one of Canada's most recognized mortgage platforms. Along the way, the industry took notice. For example, Apple recognizes CMA as an essential finance app and has featured it in apps we love for 9 years in a row now. Early on, CMA climbed to the number 5 position in all finance apps, competing alongside some of the largest financial institutions in the country. Google also recognizes the value of CMA, naming it one of the top apps for homebuyers. As more Canadians discovered the platform, the reviews started pouring in. Today, more than 1 million Canadians have installed CMA on their phones, and that's about 2.4% of all Canadians. And behind those users are over 23,000 industry professionals who trust CMA to engage clients and grow their business. Through all of this, CMA has continued to lead the market in search, rating, and features. Now, while those numbers are impressive, they don't really tell the whole story, do they? Because CMA isn't just a mobile app. It's also not just a mortgage calculator. It's a complete client engagement and business growth tool. So rather than showing you a long list of features, let me show you how CMA can work for you and your clients. So picture this. You're at an event, the type with tiny appetizers, warm white wine, and someone in the corner explaining crypto way too aggressively. And then you meet this really cool couple. You start chatting, mortgages come up, suddenly they're interested. Instead of digging through your pockets for a bent-up business card from the pre-COVID times, you casually pull out your phone and open your Canadian mortgage app. Here, just scan this. They scan it right there on the spot, and boom! Within seconds, both of them have your branded app downloaded. And instantly they're impressed. Not only does the app look incredible, but they say you have 20,000 5-star reviews. At that moment, your phone buzzes. Real-time notification, baby. New app install. Now they have your contact info and you got theirs. It gets even better. While you're still chatting, your app is working for you in the background. Not only has the contact been captured, but an intro email was sent with your meeting link. The details were automatically pushed to your favorite CRM, and a new lead was created in your LOS. If you had your CRM configured, they would already be enrolled in a drip campaign. Later that night, the couple is sitting on the couch, playing inside your app. They use your app to complete a pre-qualification journey. 959,000, woohoo! And guess what? Immediately you get notified. But here's where it gets interesting. You notice they own additional properties. Now most brokers would think, oh man, rental worksheets. I'll deal with it tomorrow. But not you. You import the scenario into your app, you open the Pre-Qual Pro and discover they actually qualify for $300,000 more with another lender. So you press one button, you generate a beautiful report and send it back instantly. Seconds later, your phone buzzes again, and now you know they are looking at your updated and improved pre-qual report. Now the couple is really impressed because suddenly this isn't just a mortgage app. This feels like a concierge level service they never had before. Success. Let's fast forward a few days later. The couple is out doing home showings with the realtor, and you know they're active because your app shows your client engagement in real time. You can literally see the scenarios they're exploring. Different properties, different addresses, different price points. And at this point, you know more about the home search than their parents do. The realtor notices the app. Wait, what is this? The couple starts showing her your app, and lo and behold, you get notified that your app was just shared. Now the realtor is curious. She goes back to her office and visits your website, and this is where things really change for her. Because normally, when realtors need a mortgage calculator, they end up on one of those random websites, the ones with pop-ups and 3 ads before the calculators even load. Or a giant button saying, download my free ebook. And then for the next 6 months, they get hunted across the internet by retargeting ads. It's chaos. But now, everything she needs is right here on your website. Professional mortgage calculators, purchase tools, reports, stress tests, over 10 lead gen web calculators, all beautifully branded, no distraction, no competitors advertising. And there's no weird ads following her around the internet. But then she remembers, oh no, I still need to prepare a feature sheet for another listing. Normally that means 2 hours in Canva, 3 mental breakdowns, and at least 1 call to an assistant saying, why is this logo blurry again? She sends you a message on your app. Hey, can you please help me with a feature sheet? And you say, just send me the MLS number. That's it. 42 seconds later, you send her a fully branded financing sheet. Beautiful, professional, looks like it was designed by a creative agency charging $12,000 a month. She's stunned. So the next day, she invites you out for lunch. Because obviously, now you're the smartest person she knows. Over lunch, you walk her through your app, you show her the purchase calculator, the closing cost calculator, the land transfer tax calculator, affordability tools, and she's loving it. Then you show her something even bigger. A co-branded landing page, lead journeys, where she can send her clients directly into a pre-qual experience. And the best part? It's branded to both, and the moment a new lead completes the journey, both of you get instantly notified. No chasing, no spreadsheets, no, hey, just following up on my last follow-up. Everything just happens automatically. Later that day, you're at the office. You message the original couple directly through your app, and you suggest, hey, have you considered pulling equity from your existing property? So you log into your admin dashboard on your computer, open the Refinance Analyzer desktop version, and within minutes, you build a powerful refinance strategy that shows them exactly how to unlock equity, save money, and increase their options. At this point, you're not just a mortgage broker anymore. You're the most connected professional in the entire transaction. The clients love you, the realtor wants to partner with you, and your technology is working for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping. There you have it, folks. You can now see all the great tools that contribute to what Pro has to offer. We at Bendigi are creating an ecosystem that brings out the best professional in you.